Let's take a quick look at replacing parts of a string using the String.Replace method. String.Replace, okay, takes two arguments. The first argument is called, the value is bananas, right? So this is the thing you're looking for, sometimes called the needle, because it's like a needle in a haystack. The haystack is the text, bananas is the needle, and this is the replacement value. So when I run this, it should print, I like apples. Let's take a look. Let's actually do some coding here. Actually, I'm going to keep the input here for flexible writing. str text equals. And I'm using self-assignment again. Dot replace. And I am going to say Bill and Susan. This will be fun. Print str text. Okay, so there we go. Whatever I type, it's going to look for this exact character set, case sensitive. So capital B-I-L-L. If I put a period in there, it'll only do it at the end of a sentence, and it'll replace it with exactly this. Exactly those things. Case sensitive. Don't forget that. It's important. So type something. Bill likes coding. Okay? So it takes Bill and replaces it with Susan. Takes this, replaces it with that. Remember, it's a string method. The string that you're acting upon, the haystack, is what you're using as the object here. So string.replace, this is what you're looking for, this is what you're substituting for it. Okay? Again, if you forget the syntax of some of these functions, go back to the function reference and it'll show you not just the rules and what it does, but it'll show you an example of how to use those things. Okay?